Sweetie, can you tell Mommy what you're doing?
I'm showing.
What are those? No, not on your shirt, sweetie.
Huh?
You want a towel?
There's my towel.
Do you want one?
Yeah, my little one.
Okay, 1 second. Here's one right here. Better?
Me shut it out.
Okay, can you put the rest of the almonds in there? More. Okay. Is that all of the almonds or is there some more?
There's some more.
Okay, can you put all of the almonds in there? Very good.
The others.
Okay. Do you see that little wood bowl full of stuff?
Yeah.
You can dump that into the big pot. Use both your hands.
Okay.
Careful. Okay, put that back on the cutting board. Okay, and then you can stir it up. Or do you want Mommy to stir it?
Make sure.
Are you going to use that? Do you want to stir the big pot?
Yeah.
Okay. You can use the big spoon for the big pot.
How about this?
You're going to use a little pestle?
Put the sticks right here.
Okay, good job. Can you tell Mommy what you're making?
Me making dinner.
Okay. Do you remember what it's called?
Yeah.
Can you say quinoa?
Quinoa.
With?
With
Mango.
With mango.
And?
And
Curry.
curry.
Dressing.
Dressing.
Sounds fancy.
And big wood.
Would you like a spoon so you can taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can eat that piece right there on the little pestle. You want to eat that little bit?
I'm making dinner. Eat.
Okay, I'll get you a spoon so you can try. Here you go. Do a little spoon.
Take a little spoon. Make hot.
Little spoon. Go ahead and try it. It's a big bite. What do you think?
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, maybe.
Alright. Can you give me a high five, honey? Sweeties?
Hello, Mary.
High five.
Hello.
Were you eating the yummy salad?